Welcome back to Code with Me. In this lesson, we're diving into error handling in JavaScript. Errors are an inevitable part of coding, and handling them properly ensures a smoother user experience and prevents unexpected application crashes. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use the try-catch statement to handle errors, the role of throw and finally blocks, how to create custom errors. Let's get started. Handling errors with try-catch. JavaScript provides the try-catch statement to handle runtime errors gracefully. Syntax: try, code that might throw an error. Catch, error, code to handle the error. When JavaScript encounters an error inside the try block, it immediately jumps to the catch block instead of crashing the program. Example: try, let result equal 10/0, console.log result. Catch, error, console.log, an error occurred, error.message. Since dividing by 0 doesn't actually throw an error in JavaScript, let's see a case where an error is thrown. Example: accessing an undefined variable. Try, console.log value, value is not defined. Catch, error, console.log, an error occur message. Here, JavaScript throws a reference error because value is not defined. The catch block captures it, preventing a crash. The throw statement. Sometimes you may want to generate custom errors using the throw statement. This is useful for validating inputs or enforcing rules in your application. Example: throwing a custom error. Function check age, if age 18, throw new error, you must be at least 18 years old. Return access granted. Try, console.log, check age 16. Catch error, console.log error, their error.message. If the age is below 18, we throw an error, which is caught by the catch block, preventing program failure. Using the finally block. The finally block always executes, whether an error occurs or not. It's useful for cleanup operations, such as closing a database connection or logging actions. Example: try, let num equals 5, console.log num to uppercase. This will cause an error. Catch error, console.log, an error occurred, error.message. Finally, console.log execution completed. Even though an error occurs, the finally block still executes, ensuring that necessary cleanup happens. Custom errors in JavaScript. Sometimes, built-in errors like type error or reference error aren't specific enough. You can create custom error classes to define your own error types. Example: creating a custom error class. Class validation error extends error constructor message, super message, this.name equals validation error. Function validate username. If username length 5, throw new validation error, username must be at least 5 characters long. Return username is valid. Try, console.log validate username Sam. Catch error, console.log error.name error.message. Here, we created a validation error class that extends the built-in error class. This helps in categorizing different types of errors in large applications. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.